Right guys, we're after moving on quite a nice bit now since the last video that I showed you. I had to do a bit of moving. This USB socket here was actually coming out there, so I made a channel along here, pushed made an extension for the cable and brought it up here. I'll be filling all that. That'll all be covered in paneling later. My job for today now guys is to panel all this in. I've already done it on this side. It's all panelled now. What I have to do now is make a front for the cupboards. I'll be doing that. There's a bit of tidying on sort of edges and stuff like that to do, and along that joint there, you see, there's going to be quite a bit of that to be done. But for the most part, the whole shape of things to come is sort of making itself known to me, so to speak. The bed is finishing at the wheel arches. So you see it there. This area where all the timber is thrown is going to be the bathroom. Hard to see now, but it'll be there. When all this is filled in today now, there's a bed going across here, an extra bed for another person, and there'll be a little table here. Kitchen will be here underneath those two cables, kitchen area, which will be beside the bed. So guys, things are coming along really, really well. I'm hoping now by the end of the day today to get that all panelled in and get it all sorted. Okay, see you later guys.